You can embed on your website, WordPress website, FlipBook like this, a PDF, and without any logos, without anything. So I'll show you my process of finding a new plugin for what you need for WordPress. You just need to click on plugins and search Flip PDF, and this is the keywords you may use. You may use different FlipBook, for example. You see, you can inspire from these plugins what keywords to use, and you need to find some plugins with good amount of stars, like this one. They have 5 stars, but they have less reviews than this one. So these are good options, both of them. And if you see here, oh, this is not what we search, but yeah, I think we have more here, but the reviews are bad. So we'll check this one with 5 stars. Activate. Yep, we activated this FlipBook, and we'll need to upload some PDF. Okay, add a new book. Let's use some titles. For example, this one. Select. We don't have here. We'll upload. Nope. Something is with the server. So if it's too big, it may your server may limit your ability to upload something. Okay, we uploaded. We have here, as I see, I have already one, so it's second one. Okay, copy the link, or no, just send to this one. Send, select PDF, thumbnail image, I don't need it, publish. Okay, we'll publish it. Yep, it's published. And we have here shortcode. Okay, we'll need this shortcode, and we'll go to our website and we will embed the shortcode. Yep, I embedded. Let's see what we get. Refreshing web page. We help, by the way, we help entrepreneurs with their website, So you may check our channel, and you'll find more tutorials on how to build your website, how to do your digital marketing, advertising, and so on. So we focus for small business entrepreneurs who needs these kind of tools to do by themselves, or at least to guide their employee. Okay, follow this tutorial and get me the result. Okay, we have a book. Very good. No watermarks. All for free. Nice job. Thank you for the plugin. So good creators. These guys made a good job. Okay. Hope you will find this useful. Bye. See you next time.